This pancake recipe is what you want to try because you're going to definitely love this. Like your family is going to enjoy this pancake recipe. Hello guys, how you doing? Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy and yummy pancake recipe. Guys, are you seeing how this pancake looks like? This pancake is very nice, is very light. As you guys can see, it's not that kind of thick pancake, if you can see the texture from this video. And this pancake is easy to come up with. Continue watching as I walk you through. So get your all-purpose flour, then you're going to sift it. So you don't skip this particular step. You want to sift your flour to get rid of unwanted particles. So this is a must step, especially if you're making recipes that has to do with flour. Like, you have to sift your flour. So guys, I'm super excited to share this recipe because this recipe was so yummy. Like, my children enjoyed this recipe. And the amazing thing is that if you've not made pancake before, following this video will make you get this pancake from the very first try. So if you're a beginner, you've not made pancake before, this is a video you want to watch till the end. So next, you're going to be adding your grated nutmeg. Next, you're going to add sugar. So after adding your sugar, you're going to add salt. Then next, you're going to add baking powder. Here we have powdered milk, and you're going to combine the dry ingredients together. Just gently incorporate the dry ingredients together. Just follow every bit of step in this video, and you're definitely going to get this pancake recipe. Guys, I want you to try out this pancake recipe because once you try it out, you always want to make this pancake recipe. I have other pancake recipes in my channel also. So get your egg, and you're going to break in your egg into a bowl. Then you are going to whisk your egg. After whisking your egg, you're going to be adding lime juice just to get rid of the egg smell. You don't want a pancake that will be smelling egg. Then you add your water. No worries, I'm going to be leaving the measurement in the description, so that you can be able to get this recipe. So mix. Then you're going to be adding the flour in bits. You don't want to add it at once, you want to add it in bits. Once you add, you stir, you add, you stir, until you exhaust your flour. Then you're going to keep stirring until you get rid of the lumps. This might take a little time, but if you're in a haste, you can sieve at the end of the day to get rid of the lumps. But I took my time to mix until I made sure all the lumps have disappeared. Like I said, you need to exercise a bit of patience here because we want a lump free pancake batter. You don't want any lump to be in your pancake. So you want to take your time to keep mixing until you have a lump free batter. As you guys can see here, pancake batter is coming together, like it's becoming lump free, and that is what we want. You don't want a batter with lumps. Of course, it's going to affect your pancake. So you just want to follow these steps strictly so that you get the result I got. It's very important. As you guys can see, our pancake batter is lump free, and this is what we want. Next, I'm going to be adding blended onion and pepper. Guys, this took this pancake to another level of taste and flavor. So this pepper and onion was coarsely blended, and it gave it this flavor. Guys, you're definitely going to enjoy this pancake recipe. And as you guys can see, you can notice the consistency of our batter is not thick and is not too light, but it's light because we want that pancake that is very light. Guys, we so enjoyed this pancake recipe, and I'm going to encourage you to try it out. And once you try it out, make sure that you give me feedback. So guys, as you guys can see, we are done. So next, get your pan add some little oil, then make sure the oil goes round. Okay, make sure it's placed on the stove. Okay, so make sure the oil goes round so that your pancake wouldn't stick to the pan. Okay, so this is a form of greasing your pan so that the pancake wouldn't stick. So you don't need too much oil, guys. So you're gently going to pour in your batter, just little. So once the top is set, you flip over to the other side. So this is what you keep doing until you get that perfect pancake. Okay, as you guys can see, this pancake is looking so nice. Okay, you can still flip, okay, until you get what you want. Okay, that is the trick. So guys, our pancake is super. So like I said, you keep flipping until you are satisfied with how it looks. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this one is done. Okay, set aside. You grease your pan, you pour in your pancake batter. Okay, just repeat the same process. Okay, and like make it go around like you guys see me do here. Okay, this is just what you have to do. So once the top is set, okay, then you're going to flip it over. So you keep doing this, you keep doing this until you exhaust your pancake batter. Guys, this pancake was so yummy. I keep repeating because I want you to try this pancake recipe. Okay, so you keep flipping until you are satisfied with how the pancake looks. Okay, guys, as you guys can see, it's very light. This pancake recipe was so yummy. Okay, so if you've not tried pancake before, just follow this recipe, follow every step in this video. I bet you are definitely going to love it. Like once you make this pancake, you want to keep making this pancake, like you want to keep making this pancake, like you would love it, like your family would enjoy it, and you can enjoy with tea or anything that works well with you. As you guys can see, our pancake is ready. Guys, are you seeing how our pancake looks like? This was so yummy. Are you seeing how beautiful it looks? As beautiful as it looks, it's also yummy. Okay, so it's foldable. As you guys can see, you can fold it to any direction you want. You can just fold it to any direction, as you guys can see me do in this video. Guys, are you trying out this recipe? Like I keep saying, try it out. You're definitely going to love it. This pancake, okay, is easy to come up with, as you guys can see. Just give it a try. You're definitely going to love it. Okay, so in the description you're going to see the measurement. Okay, just take your time. Okay, go through the measurement so that you can be able to make yours. Guys, are you seeing our pancake recipe? This Nigerian pancake is also called diet. If you grew up in Nigeria, okay, I know you must have enjoyed the snack. You can also call this diet. Okay, they call it diet, right? And as you guys can see, it's looking so amazing and it tasted so yummy. I'm going to be linking other pancake recipe in this video so you can go check it out. Okay, and you're definitely going to love it, and make sure you try it out and give me feedback. Okay, and yes, that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, as well subscribe to this channel. And like I said, don't forget to try it out. Are you seeing how this pancake looks? Are you seeing the texture of this pancake? Yes, it was so nice. So enjoy yourself. Make sure you try it out. See you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.